We're Chemtron Corporation. You know us. We do so much. You may not know all about us. There's a lot to know. Chemtron facilities cover nearly 18 acres and are licensed and permitted to handle more than 540 distinct EPA waste codes in ways that are environmentally safe and friendly, aimed at cost-efficient, state-of-the-art recycling and disposal technologies. Strategically located near Cleveland, in proximity to major interstates, and operating for over 30 years, Chemtron delivers total environmental services to the industry, both public and private. That's right, we do it all.
At Chemtron, assuring customer satisfaction is our top priority. We understand that our business relies on personal relationships, the partnerships we forge with our customers every day, meeting each customer's business needs, assuring expectations are exceeded, and ensuring environmental compliance is maintained. It's what we do. If you're a current customer, you already know that. If you're not, the only thing you need to know is Chemtron is your full-service source for environmental services.
Hazardous and non-hazardous waste disposal. You may know us as the innovators of the one facility single source solution for your environmental waste needs. From managing toxic industrial waste sludges to consumer goods such as cosmetics and personal care products for brand protection. Chemtron spans the manufacturing spectrum, serving all segments, including the forward and reverse logistical channels. Chemtron's one location, gated and secured, is segmented into two state-of-the-art processing locations. One facility is EPA-approved Part B, dedicated to RCRA hazardous waste management, designed to handle common, routine materials, to the really tough stuff, from body shop waste to reactive, difficult untouchables. Disposal and recycling services include fuels blending, incineration, solvent recycling, wastewater treatment, stabilization, and deactivation. The second facility is for non-hazardous and consumer commodity management, designed to handle everything from industrial byproducts to unwanted consumer goods. Chemtron's turnkey capabilities help reduce costs, ensure regulatory compliance, and minimize potential liabilities through proper handling of industrial wastes and commodity destruction protocols. With our specialized services for consumer commodity management, Chemtron provides an array of service offerings, such as product shredding and destruction, product demanufacturing, bulk and solidification, recycling and beneficial reuse, ethanol recovery, electronics, batteries and light bulbs, cardboard, plastic, and glass. Alcohol and other liquids are collected for recycling, energy recovery, or disposal utilizing certain EPA-offered exemptions. Chemtron explores all beneficial reuse options available to our customers. Lab Pack Services. Some Chemtron customers know us best for our Lab Pack services, a value-oriented turnkey program for small containers of chemicals that are inventoried, labeled, categorized, and specially packaged for transportation and disposal. And we quickly earned a quality reputation within the industry. Chemical Pack Services, CPS, was developed to serve special needs found in hospitals, industrial manufacturing, chemical research and development facilities, or colleges and universities. CPS handles all chemicals, even the untouchables, from biologicals to pyrophorics to explosives and other shock-sensitive materials, as well as pharmaceuticals. And when you need those services, it's no time to guess at who might have the right capabilities. You need to know Chemtron, of course. Consumer commodity. The process continues as our facility receives drums, pallets, liquid tankers, and roll-off boxes of unwanted or mishandled consumer products. We meticulously handle and prepare FDA-regulated issues pertaining to recalled personal care products, such as cosmetics, soaps, lotions, sanitizers, toothpastes, or other over-the-counter pharmaceuticals. Regulations also apply for commercial and industrial adhesives, paints and coatings, and cleansers. No product leaves our facility in the same form it arrived. Chemtron is a fully permitted RCRA Part B facility. Our state-of-the-art processes and equipment, coupled with our state-of-the-professionals, assure customer brand anonymity and relieve your concerns about the appropriate disposal. Field Services. At our most visible, you know us for our Chemtron Field Services. Our technicians are expertly trained to work under the toughest conditions. We offer comprehensive services from the development of a health and safety plan to industrial cleaning, demolition, and total site restoration. Rolling stock and equipment detail services include industrial cleaning, environmental remediation, total site decontamination and restoration, lead, mercury, mold, and asbestos abatement, bioremediation, UST removal, demolition, confined space entry, hazardous and non-hazardous waste remediation, full site assessments, excavation of contaminated soils, plant closures. We have the trained personnel to handle any job, big or small. Analysis and documentation. When it gets there, Chemtron Environmental Analysis uses both EPA and NIOSH analytical methods in strict compliance to meet and exceed all safety and regulatory standards. When materials are received, they're secured and verified for proper disposal by Chemtron's on-site chemistry lab, staffed by trained certified hazardous waste operators. They evaluate materials and begin building a detailed manifest using Chemtron's EnviroWare software that accurately tracks and traces the material through all of the disposal process and satisfies the most rigorous compliance and reporting requirements imposed by the EPA, DOT, and OSHA. Transportation. Chemtron's extensive transportation fleet has all the appropriate hazmat permits to handle bulk or drums from our customers. Quickly, safely, reliably. Our fleet includes vans, tankers, roll-off boxes, vacuum trucks, and service vehicles. And our courteous, knowledgeable drivers are there to assist with your needs. From hazardous waste to non-hazardous consumer goods, they arrive safely at our sites. 24-hour emergency response. Chemtron provides and maintains the necessary trained personnel, equipment, and response vehicles to respond to oil or chemical spills 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Our team of hazmat specialists respond to in-plant chemical releases as well as over-the-road spills. Spill services also include inland waterways and abandoned chemical sites requiring the regulatory emergencies oversight. Keep us on your speed dial for emergency response. That's Chemtron. Technical Services. Chemtron's Technical Service Division provides value-added services to the complete Chemtron turnkey offering. It is our complete trained staff, from lab technicians to our field hazmat personnel, that add extra value to any of the Chemtron services, such as laboratory testing, unknown waste identification, TCLP analysis, air and water analysis, compatibility testing, waste characterization. Training services. Chemtron works directly with customers throughout the disposal process, going as far as providing detailed training courses to our industry, such as EPA, DOT, and OSHA, site specifics on site, general hazard awareness, emergency responders, and a variety of other programs. Our compliance services provide written regulatory plans and thorough reporting documentation. We'll work hard with your company to provide the necessary training and permitting tailored to your company's specific needs. Compliance and confidence. In all, Chemtron is more than 125 highly trained, experienced, and dedicated professionals with a steadfast commitment to protect the environment.
Chemtron has a team of professionals dedicated to meet the demands of complex regulatory programs from the Environmental Protection Agency, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, and the Department of Transportation. Chemtron is committed to assuring the safety and health of our employees and protecting the environment.
Got a problem? Need to talk? Go ahead, pick up the phone. Call our 24-hour emergency response service. We're always there, any day, anytime, and always just when you need us the most.
As there are a number of environmental challenges that are out there, our staff is constantly trained. We do employ a compliance training officer here that trains each one of our staff members on a yearly basis, and sometimes more if needed. So it's very important to us to be very educated so that we can educate our customers. That kind of helps us work as a team and partner with our clients so that we can keep them in compliance and assess their needs properly.
Chemtron puts you in control. Contact us today.